Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the active links in Next.js 15. If you have ever wanted to highlight the current page or navigation item dynamically in your Next.js app, this feature is a game changer. I will show you how to implement it step by step, making your app more user-friendly and interactive. Let's get started. Let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see in the last video we have covered some topics related to the link component in which we build the link component related to the product and product page. Although we have also create the layout link component for the different product list shown on the product page. Now now we will discuss the another new topic which will called an active link. So in order to here in my auth layout in my auth inside my auth folder I create a layout.tsx in which in order to save a time I make some code. In this, you can see the name linked array of object in which we declare three names with the name register, login, and forgot password. Apart from this, we have also redirected to the register, HR login to login, and forgot password to forgot password. And inside that, you can see the name links will be displayed with the help of using the map method inside on the page. So let's move on to the browser to see how this will look like when you log in when we visit the localhost 3000 / register. So let's move on to the browser. So here this is your browser. When you visit localhost /3000 / register, you see the three routing that was for the register, login, forgot password. So for installing, before creating the styling for the active page, we just add the three router and link. One for the register. If you click on register, it will not move there because we are already on a register page. When we click on login, it will move to the login page. When click on forget password, it will take you to the forget password. Now let as you can see that all the link will be an active link. So we need to differentiate with the help of installing the active links. Suppose you have visited some website and if we are on the current forget password in my current web application, then forget password will be active. And if we see on the login page, then the login link will be active. So this can be achieved with the help of active link in Next.js application. So let's get started and try to implement the active link in Next.js application. In order to make the active link styling, before that we need to get how the active link can be used. So in order to get the active link, first of all we need a hook which the usePathName. So first of all we import usePathName hook from Next+navigation. And after that we can use here we can provide the path to us constant path name, and which is equal to use path name hook, and we can save it over here. Now when we move to the browser, so here you can see that you can find an error that you are importing a component that need use path name. The React hook only works in the client component. So you are using the hook, so you need to define your component as a client because it is currently a server component. So in order to use this, you have to define on top of that, you have to use client, which convert with after written use client, this particular component will be converted to a client component. Now if you visit you can see again that your page is working fine. Now if you click on register, you can go to register, login to the login page, and forgot password to the forgot password page. Now let's create an active link on us. Now in order to create an active link, first of all we need to define the constant variable for active links. Okay, and what we have to do for that, inside active link, maybe we can use it. We can create a constant is active value. Okay, in this we can use the path name. Which we get from the use path name equal to in link.hrs. Okay, we will provide the current link, or we have some other condition also. We have the in the path name dot start with link.hrs. And link.href is equal to, we can also write after that link.href and also condition to it, link.hrs equal to not equal to the on the home page. Okay. Now what if now this is we have created now inside the link inside which we returning the link inside we can use the class for in order to change in order to show the active link apart from the other native link. So we can use the class for that. So what we have to do, we have to add the class name and we have to check that if is active is true. Then what we have to do, then a font bold and MR4 will be activity. Else we use the ternary upper text glue 500 and the same MR4. Now we can save it and let's see what we see on the browser. Let's go to the browser. Reload. Now here you can see that forgot password. You have the forgot password. So as we are using the tailwind CSS, we also need to install this particular active link. So if you inspect this particular page over here, as you can see, we have local 3000 and you can see the link over here and you can see the logging that we have the active link class which is font bold MR4 and others are text blue 500 MR4 and text blue 500 as we are. So it is our so as we have not just didn't install this particular link, we are changing the same. So let's install this link. So in order to install this link, we have to create a new file with the name style.css inside the auth. Okay. So inside out we can create a style.css and in start we can import tailwind CSS. We can close it and after this we can use this we can import this tailwind CSS and we can use this tailwind CSS inside the layout. We can import our CSS over here, import and style.css. We can save it and now let's see the page again. Now if you see easily that here now your login, now your navigation bar is still working. Some difference here, it is showing that black one which is login, which is an active link, and all the other two links that were registered the forgot password is inactive link. So when we click on the forget password, so here you can see in the link now forget password is active. So here you can see the font bold MR4. So as we already given the condition that if active link is present, then font bold MR4 will be active. So this is how you can see that we can installing the active with the help of tailwind CSS in this particular application. And now you're registered. Now your active styling is working fine without any issue. So this is how we can style our active link in Next.js navigation with the help of usePathName hook in Next.js application. I hope you easily understand how we can implement this navigation. So that it for this video today. You know how to implement active link in Next.js to enhance your app and navigation and user experience. This simply yet powerful feature can make your project stand out by providing clear visual feedback to users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others who might benefit. Let me know in the comment if you have any question or suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.